Hello everyone, this is Murshad again from Computers Repair Plus and RMI Division. Today we are here to diagnose a gaming system, and here is the system we are rebuilding. And here is another old gaming system. We are replacing the motherboard, and the problem with the motherboard actually, and this is the old motherboard, this is AMD motherboard we tested, and here is the new motherboard we found. Alright, and here is more parses arriving for building custom here. So this is a type of beginner level of gaming system with the 390, and here is the other parts for kind of standard level gaming, and with GTX 1650 graphics card, and here is the motherboard and processor and case over there. So I will record the video during the installation process. And thank you so much. Subscribe the channel, and that way you will get the notification bell when I upload the video. Thank you so much.